Not quite my tempo. It's all good. No worries. Here we go. 6, 7.
Hello, you wonderful people. This is the Zontes 310 T2. What a great deal this bike's going to be in the dealers near you soon. Zontes have listed this bike as not in production now, obviously because the 350cc version's come out. So in a couple of months your dealers might have this as brilliant price. The bike comes in 4 colours and has all the toys and whistles you'd expect from Zontes. So dealers will be getting in their new 350cc versions and will be shifting the 310s. The new 350cc versions have 29 kilowatts of power, 39 brake horsepower. The 310cc is 26 kilowatts of power and 36 brake horsepower. They're only 3 horsepower down, lads. So the 310cc version was around €4,500. The 350cc version will be €4,500. They'll probably knock this bike down to less than €4,000. So it's going to be a steal. So if you're in the market, just look around your Zontes dealers local to you and see what they've got in their normal stock, because they will be shifting them. 90 miles per gallon, 3.2 litres per 100 kilometres of travel. For a good bike, 310cc, wow. Just a few teaser specs for you now. Here we go. Tyre sensor monitoring system. Get a punch, the bike even comes to a stop for you. 2 18-watt USB ports. Backlit display, and just look at all that stuff there. Pause it quickly. Economy and sports mode. Switchable. Dual channel ABS. Bosch 9. So come on lads, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on the latest news. This is Mad Mick signing off.